Okay, hello everyone. Welcome back to the part two of the video how to sell on Seller. So in today's video, now we are done with creating an account. So we're going to be going straight to working on our dashboard. So right now I'm going to be showing you how to complete your dashboard settings. Okay, so now you don't have to sign up again. Yes, so now I'm going to click add bank details because you're going to have when people buy from you. So now you're using Nigeria, pick any bank of your choice. So I'm going to be picking a bank. So once I pick a bank, then I'm going to continue. So now I've already added the account details and it has set account details saved. So I'm going to move on to the part 2, which is uploading an ebook on Seller. You can use after okay. So now this is it. You can actually sell these 5 things you are seeing back on the pro versions. You can sell the 5 things here for free without paying anything. So now we're going to work on digital products instead. So I'm going to upload the product image. So I'll be using this book. I'll be taking from the images. Okay, it has been uploaded. I'll be putting the name of the book. So let's place any price. I'm still going to talk on pricing later. Let's put 500. So let's try that original price. You can just place anything there. So you can place the description, which I'm not doing for now. So choose the category. What kind of book is it on? Yo, this one is just under Wealth and Finance. Now pick personal finance. Then you can now this is what you do now. You can either automatically redirect your buyers to an external URL to download the ebook from there, or you can directly upload it here, which I'm going to do. Then I'll click create product. So now it has been created, and I'll open it from here, and I'll go back. So now this is the book. This is it. This is it. This is it. This is it. Now you can download it. So if you click buy now, you can see the book is ready. This is what we are after. So uploading your ebook to Selar, just a simple step. You don't have to stress yourself on. It is that simple. If you want to add any other type of book, you can add it that way. So I'm just going to go back to my dashboard, which is that place. So now it is showing I have a product already. So now if there are sales that I've seen it, anything like that. So now this is the product. This is it. You can add more products. So now any question you can put in the comments below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.